Hello fam, good morning! Maayong adlaw, maayong buntag sa tanan. Good morning to everyone from Canada, Calgary. And also, syempre, sa ating pinakamamahal na Pilipinas. At start na natin ang vlog today sa napakalamig and very snowy Calgary. Nag-snow na naman fam kagabi. Medyo malupit-lupit din. Ayan, and snowy na talaga yung mga puno din. Nadikitan na siya ng snow. And actually, bumaba ako kasi may nag-doorbell. Ayan. May package kasi si Mommy na ina-expect from work. Okay. Ayan. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung sitwasyon dito ng New Year. Ayan. 2026 na po ngayon. Okay. Yan yung kapitbahay namin. Snow na snow din ang kanya. Pasok na tayo ulit. At sobrang lamig. So, nag-prepare na nga din pala ako ng coffee. And magbe-breakfast tayo. So today naman parang naisip ko talagang dapat palm corned beef ang kakainin ko. So, walang magagawa yan sila Mami. Yan, start ng mag-brew ang aking coffee maker. Siyempre, nandiyan pa rin yung Christmas tree. I think tatanggalin daw ni Mommy to after ng mag Three Kings. So, I'm not sure when is that, pero more or less yun yung the usual na kung kailan siya nagtatanggal ng ganyan. Ayan fam, so prepare lang tayo ng breakfast. And today, nag-iisip kami ng activities for the kids. It's either punta kami ng Telus Park or ng isang playground. So ask pa namin sina Bro Dwayne kung nasan yung pinuntahan nilang napakagandang playground the last time. And again, dun sa last video namin, while we're doing the farewell for our New Year special, again, nagpasalamat kami doon. And now, nagpapasalamat ulit ako. So 1,925 subscribers na, if I'm not mistaken. So salamat, and watch na lang kayo for more videos to come. So thank you again, and let's go! And fam, itong uulamin natin for breakfast, the Palm New Zealand corned beef. Arguably, one of the best. Dalawa pa lang ang tingin ko pwedeng mag-match dito. Yung Pure Foods corned beef natin na blue and Delimundo. But, sarap talaga na ito. Ayan fam, nakasalang na ang ating breakfast lunch for today. So of course, our favorite garlic rice, their crispy egg, and the palm corned beef na walang tatalo so far. Yung mabibili mo sa Canada. Wala kasi ditong nabibiling corned beef na Pure Foods. Kaya yung mga Pinoy nagpapadala talaga dito. Or yun, sa bagahe nila yun or sinasabay. Good morning, Kuya! Ayan fam, breakfast time na. Corned beef and fried egg and garlic rice. Ayan! And ayun yung mga fruits ni Mami pa. So ano nga tawag doon? Love yun. Prosperity basket pala fam ang tawag doon. Kanina ko pa iniisip. Oh, mali pa pala. Prosperity bowl pa pala fam.
Natanggal ko na siya.
Ayan. Okay. So breakfast time. Tulog pa si Liani kaayo pang gumising. Ayan fam. Excited na sila. Where are you guys going again?
Big box! The big box!
Big box daw sila pupunta. Okay. Yun yung playground fam na malapit dito. Nasa may kabilang side lang ng airport. So, ayan. Doon kami pupunta today instead of Telus Park. Kasi parang Telus Park ata 4 p.m. done na sila eh. Yung mag 2 p.m. na. So, lugi sa time. And shout out to Kuya Bong for handing me this LaSalle jacket. Diba? One LaSalle, Vancouver. Ito yung org namin fam sa Vancouver. And I'm still connected, of course. Siyempre, alumni org naman yan ng LaSalle eh. So, thank you, Kuya Bong. And suotin na natin to agad para makita na. At gustong gusto ko talaga to eh. So, So thank you.
The
Oo.
proudly
Plus-
alumni.
Oh. Canada. May Canada flag.
Yeah.
And champion.
Champ.
The champs. The champs.
Talikod, Daddy. Oh, the LaSalle Green Archer.
Yan, thank you Kuya Bong again. Thank you.
Thank
Galing
you
pa tong Vancouver, fam. Dun sa One LaSalle Vancouver namin na
Special
alumni
delivery.
organization. Yan. So thank you Kuya Bong.
Thank you, Kuya Bong. Hi fam, and we're on our way. Grabe, nag-i-snow sa labas. Pero lumabas pa rin kami just for the kids.
Yeah, syempre.
Yeah.
At since yesterday ba,
Today, since, New Year.
since New Year, nasa bahay lang naman kami. Nag-Costco lang kami saglit. Pero
Hapon.
more or less nasa bahay lang talaga. So, time to pasyal the kids naman lang. And weekend ngayon before the coming pasukan. So, might as well
Balik pasukan.
indoor playground naman sila. Kasi tingnan nyo naman, fam.
Daddy, are we going to the big box?
Grabe, oh. At foggy-foggy pa talaga yan while malakas ang snow. Ganun
On the
talaga.
way kami.
And on our way, sabi ko nga kanina, first time namin pupunta dun sa playground na yan. It's called the Big Box Playground. So, we'll try it out. Check lang namin kung magugustuhan ni na Kuya Dave.
Who's
If
excited?
not, magmo-move kami somewhere else. Basta,
Yay.
today is for them to enjoy.
Yeah.
Okay? So,
See ya.
we'll see ya.
I come with you.
Hello, fam. Ang lakas ng snow. Go, 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 go. Ayan, okay, go. Ayan. Tutulog. Ayun, mami, dun ka umapak. Go.
Go, anak.
Ah. Ah. Nandun na si na kuya. Grabe yung snow. So slippery. Okay. Welcome to Big Box. Papon yan si mami. Puno, fam, puno. Yan oh, puno yung parking. Lahat ng bata ata
You bring alcohol?
nandito. Yeah.
We bring alcohol?
Go, mommy. Go, 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 go. Just go here. Or over here. Ayan, ganda. Ganda ng facility. That is nice. And then, side tayo ng waiver daw. Ako na, love. I got it. We're ready to enter. And okay, let's go. They can play now. So, kinuha lang namin is the basic. So, it's just for the playground. Unlimited naman siya. So, hanggang mamaya ito. Okay? So, chill lang kami ni Mommy. Hanap lang kami ng table. And then, bahala na sila. Paano mag-play. Ganda ng playground. It's the first time that we're here. And yeah, it's really cool. Okay, may bumper car sila. And Leisure Lagoon. Yeah, so bumper car, may additional dyan, fam. Okay, fam. So nakahanap na kami ng pwesto dun sa parang parents area nila dito at sobrang punong-puno talaga. Kaya mga 30 minutes din kami nag-antay ng table. So yan, hanapin na natin sila kuya. Leisure Lagoon. Yeah. check natin kung anong kakaiba dito sa big box. At recommended talaga ni Bro Drain to eh. And ang kanyang anak na si Noah. Let's check. And by the way fam, ito yung site na nasa northeast. Kasi meron daw silang kaka-open din na big box na nasa southeast naman daw. So I think business is doing good for these indoor playground. Kasi nga pag nagsisnow talaga ng malupit fam, ito lang talaga yung options ng mga parents. Walang iba. So yan, meron din silang Let's Bounce. Laki oh. Look at that. Laki. Super duper laki. Yan. So let's look for Kuya Davon. Tapos meron din sila nito parang Lego. Hello! And yeah, meron din sila. Tapos meron din sila nito parang mga slides. And parang kang may aakyatin dito na bundok. So ang ganda, linis ng facility. Super ganda. Tsaka medyo konti na yung tao pag nandito. Syempre, dun talaga kanina, dun sa entrance, sobrang puno eh. Yun nga, natagalan kami maghanap ng table. So, hanapin lang natin ang ating mga anak. Hindi ko pa nakikita. Davon! Lian! Where are they? Ayan, dito for girls naman. Ayan, sa mga slides. Parang okay na okay siya kasi different ages pwedeng ma-cover. Nasaan yung mga anak ko? They're gone! Baka nandito. And they have this slide too. Ayan, no? Wow!
Lost you.
Ayan. Ang laki ng slide. There you go. At nasa na ang Kuya Davon and Lianica. Parang nandito sila. Parang madaming tao dito. Yun. Big slide.
Oh, he's up there.
Lian! Hi! Go ahead! Go ahead! Go, Lian! Whoa! Very good! Where's Kuya? Where's Kuya? Are you having fun?
Yes.
Huh? Are you having fun? You say hi to the vlog first. Are you having fun? Okay. Whoa! Good job! Good job! Dito kami sa toddler zone. Okay. Ganda! Ang ganda eh. Enjoy din eh. Oh, dito pala tayo Lian sa kabila. Let's go kabila. Let's go kabila. Kayang-kaya na ni Lian fam. Ito yung worry kasi namin, medyo maliit pa si Lian dati. Pero ngayon, big girl na siya eh. Let's bounce! Whoa! Come on, go! Let's bounce! Oh, look at that fam. They have a pirate ship. That's a pirate ship. It's a pirate ship. Whoa. Okay. Hindi ko pa din makakita si Kuya Davon. Where's Kuya? Ah, look for Kuya Davon. Kuya Davon is here now. I was looking for you over there the whole time. Lian and I were worried. You, huh? And ayan famo, meron silang happy bumper car. Extra payment yan. So we'll check kung magkano. So nagutom na ang mga kids. Mga 1 to 2 hours na kami nandito. So bili muna tayo ng food. And actually, ang food nila hindi din mahal. So, normal lang siya. Poutine, beef burger, pizza, chicken tenders with fries and drink. Ayan, $12. Yan kukunin natin. And then may popsicles din daw sila dito. So, this one, Candy Slash Clash.
What about this?
Okay. Unicorn, okay. Ooh la la. The bomb and thank you. Yeah, appreciate it. Let's go. Let's go.
Bomb pop.
Bambam?
Bomb. Full of bomb.
Bomb pop.
Who's having fun?
Oh, bump.
Yan na ang aming chicken tenders with fries. Ooh. Hindi siya masyadong mahal. Parang Jollibee. Or parang McDonald's na siya. $12. So who wants to eat French fries?
Sauce?
And there's barbecue sauce, kuya. So, samahan ko si David naman. Kanina kasi si Leah nakasama ko, si David naman. Show niya daw sa akin yung bouncy niya. Sige, let's bounce! Let's bounce! Go! Whoa! Oops! Oops! Daddy can do it too! Yup, yup. You can do it. 1, 2, 3, go. It's okay, go. Whoa. Your turn, don't be afraid. Your turn, go. Nice one. Hello. Hey, okay. Kuya, carry nut. Are you guys ready? Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Bye, Kuya. Grabe, sobrang saya nila, fam. And fam, we're done here. Uwi na kami. So, para magdi-dinner na kami sa bahay. At normal food naman ang kainin, hindi western food. So, nagsawa na. So, sobrang ganda ng place na to. Accessible niya, ang laki. Highly recommended. Ganda. Ganda ng lugar na to. So, tuloy namin ang vlog pag-uwi namin sa bahay. So, see ya!
Hi fam! We're home. First time namin itatry itong aking Instapot. Magluluto siya ng adobo. So, ano to, Daddy? Okay na? Open ko?
Kung i-open ha.
No, open pa.
Yeah, this one ata re-release mo to. Para yung pressure.
How to do it? Oh!
And that's not weird.
Yeah, sige.
Gusto ko po ng may itlog sa adobo. So, Daddy is
Hard-boiled egg.
doing the hard-boiled egg and the hard work. And try na natin buksan pa. Daddy, I need your help.
Let's see.
Adobo. Wow!
Tumambot nga ba? Tingnan natin.
Ilang minuto mo ini?
To play.
Ano lang to? Or 20 minutes. Lambot na lang.
Oh, wow.
Lambot na. Kulang pa.
Lagyan mo na siya ng
Hindi.
oyster and
Yeah.